हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू किड्स गुरुकुल पॉइंट. Let's learn English alphabet in small letters.
A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for frog, G for girl, H for house, I for igloo, J for juice, K for king, L for lemon, M for monkey, N for nose, O for owl, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rat, S for sweet, T for train, U for umbrella, V for van, W for water bottle, X for X-ray, Y for yak, Z for zip. Thanks for watching.